I would recommend a crawl, walk, run approach because, I saw some questions come up around kind of internal buy-in. That's a huge part of personalization and a huge part of partnering with the business and with different areas of marketing. It's really important, I think, to start that way. So, we had that need. If you're a more mature operation, if you've just kind of, if you've worked in AEM before, but you haven't really done the personalization, maybe you can go without. And the customer insights, that's an important part of the conversation here that I think, we often overlook, is that kind of the analytics versus insights. Analytics can be a report that tells you about, what your bounce rate is, what your scroll depth is, what your pages viewed are, but taken on their own, or even taken, and analyzed in the wrong way, they can actually lead you down the wrong path. Because for me, driving people off platform might actually support one of my output metrics because I'm getting them to a transactional platform. Or having a quick time on site might be good because they got their answer and they got on with their day. And these are the kinds of things that customer insights can bring beyond just those analytics. And again, this is where Ame, where Brian, where Mary, another member of the Avionos team, were able to support us and frankly give us some more maturity around what is valuable, what is not valuable, and where to focus our time and effort.